Welcome to my channel. Everyone watch this video through to the end as I go over the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Incredible new features and price. With several rendered images of the upcoming smartphone, the most recent leak of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Pro leaves little to the imagination. The pair gives a clear preview of what to anticipate from Samsung unpacked event the following month. Apparently, the long-rumored Galaxy Watch 5 Pro design upgrade has been confirmed based on what the images shared by Eon Blast of 91 Mobiles. The Vanilla Glass Watch 5 could arrive with minor changes over the last few years. The Galaxy Watch 4 Model 1 of the visible alteration is the presence of tiny hole between the two side buttons, which is likely a provision for a microphone. The leak only shows that 44mm variant, but it is safe to say that a smaller option will be offered. The company will also introduce new color scheme for both watches. It can be seen that the regular smartwatch has a blue finish while the Pro model gets a new gray point job. In addition, the engravings behind the two smartwatches suggested that Samsung will opt for a sapphire crystal production instead of Gorilla Glass. Found in older models, noticeably the Glass Watch 5 Pro is now sporting a fixed bezel rotating variant on Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Other features mentioned on this leak including 5 ATM water resistant and rating GPS functionality. The pair will run on One UI 4.5 based on Google Wear OS 3.4 out of the box. An increase in battery capacity it is also expected, with the biggest improvements seen with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Pricing and availability will be announced next month. After previous branding, the price, size and color leak, we have our first look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. Even players on 91 mobiles this evening leaked the next generation Galaxy Watch device as high resolution 3D turntable standard. It also starts with the Galaxy Watch 5, which is called name herd and mostly unchanged from the smartwatch 4 released this year. We have seen that 44mm from the ring of text to underside, but the glossy, the similar size, presumably 40mm, will also be available. It is going to be offered in a more expensive color plate. Both models are using sapphire crystal instead of Gorilla Glass TX and will be available in ice variant. Additional specifications include GPS 5 ATM water resistant. According to today's news, codename Project X will be available in black or grey titanium use, but the pricing of this incredible smartwatch has not yet been determined. That's it for now. For more information, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the future video. Until then, have a good day.